Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix broken links from your WordPress website. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our WordPress website and today we are going to remove broken links from it. So first of all we need to log into our WordPress website dashboard. Now from the left menu click on plugins and then click on add plugin. Now search for broken links checker. Install and activate this first plugin. So as you can see that our plugin is now installed and activated, and on the left menu we will see broken links checker. So we are going to hover over it and then click on local old. So currently we have only 3 links on our website and all the links are working. If you have any broken link on your website, you will see it here. So click on broken. So currently there are 0 links here. So if you have any broken link, you will see it here. And after that you can easily remove it from here. So this is how you can remove broken links from your WordPress website. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.